Why are my pigs not growing? Why are my pigs not growing? Dream farms, why are my pigs not growing? This is one of the questions I get more often. Instead of asking me why your pigs are not growing, ask yourself these questions. Am I having the right genetics? Am I feeding my pigs right? Are they living in a comfortable environment? Are they having clean water? Am I managing them well? Medically, health-wise, and all that. If you are able to answer all of these questions, then you'll be able to know the reasons why your pigs are not doing well. It is that simple, guys. Please, this issue of having the right genetics is like the foundation of your farm. Even before constructing your pig farm, your fence, make sure that your genetics, the feeding, how you're going to be feeding them throughout, is well sorted out. Else, don't start piglet farming, please. It is not for everybody. Invest in knowledge. Also have someone who will hold your hand and say, if you're having this problem, you are going to learn from this person. Me, I'm learning every day. I'm a curious person, so I learn every day. I ask questions. Those who are close to me know that I like asking questions. Some of them will even say I'm asking stupid questions, but no problem. I also have a mentor who is holding my hand. I always run to him every now and then. So that is just starting. Have someone that can say, Mommy, this thing will happen, so how am I going to solve it? You see. So having the right genetics is very important because it's also going to help you to gain more profits in the business within a short period of time, rather than having local breeds in your farm that you feed and feed and feed. The quantity of feed that a local breed is going to eat to gain 80 kgs is times 2. That, in fact, times 3 the amount that a normal good breed pure line of, say, lash white top pig is going to eat. So choose the right genetics in your farm when starting a new farm. Make sure that your feeds are already sorted out. And if you are starting and you are hoping that you are going to be buying already made feeds, my brother, my sister, I'm telling you from experience, it is really going to be hard. Make sure that you do research, know how to sort out your feeds before you even start pig farming. Make sure that you know how to manage diseases in pig farm. You have diarrhea that kill piglets. You have different type of diseases that affect pigs. I don't think there is something that I've not yet seen in this business. I've seen shaggy, so I'm telling you from experience. Why I'm still standing tall is because I have someone holding my hands. I have good breeds to look up to. I know how to sort my feeds and so on and so forth. There is no business that will just go smoothly like that without challenges. Piggery has its own challenges, and I'll always say that it is a practical business. As you are in it, you are going to be learning new things every day, and by so doing, you are going to become very strong in the business. There is nothing that can really come and you'll be able to handle. But as a beginner, start well, start right, and make profits at the right time. You can always ask him questions. You can ask someone else your questions. Make sure that you know. Don't use oversabi. There is nothing like oversabi in piggery. When I just see some people who come to seek advice and they start making as if they know too much, I just look at you and I just laugh. So if you are going to seek knowledge, be quiet and listen, because I've seen all type of pig farmers in this my short time of doing piggery. I see people giving just fiber to piglets, newly weaned piglets. It is not good now. It is not good. Imagine eating just starch, gari as a newborn baby. How are you going to grow? It is not possible, right? Even if it is possible, there are some things that you need to add, but don't give just fiber. Something like only sun, only PKC, only remorage. Remorage is even better, but only any of those is not good. Piglets are supposed to be given feeds rich in protein, while the growers now, you can now more of carbohydrate, and now the finishers, now you can now introduce more of the fiber and then carbohydrate and so on and so forth. So I don't see why you be giving your piglets only fiber. It is not good. Let me give you this small secret for free. Once you win your piglets, say 1 month, 6 weeks, right? They are already eating 3 feet and all. So from that age to about 4 months, make sure that you feed them very well. Their feed should be very rich in protein. Once the pig form at that stage, they'll just continue like that. But if you start with the fiber now, with the song, the song they play now, the wheat bran, maize bran and so on. Now when they are piglets, they will not be able to grow. They'll be retarded. Their growths are going to be very retarded, and that is where you'll be seeing a peak of 5 months looking like a peak of 2 months. So please also make sure that you manage your diseases very well. Monitor your pigs. The earlier you discover that your pig is sick, the better way of managing it. We treat it earlier and so on and so forth. So rather than asking me those questions, ask yourself, put yourself in that position. Ask questions on how your pigs can go fast. Ask questions on where you can get good feeds. Ask questions on how you can treat this disease, rather than sitting and asking vague questions why your pigs are not growing. Meanwhile, you are the one not doing the right thing. Please. So if you know that you are doing the right things that are supposed to be done and it is not still moving, seek help. It is that simple. We learn every day, I always say. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it did make sense, please like, comment and share. Thank you.